Masasaktan ka sa sasabihin ko sa'yo, pero kailangan mo itong marinig. It's not about you. Hindi umiikot ang mundo para sa'yo. It's not about your drama. It's not about your delays. Not everything is about your feelings. Yung mga tao na akala mo ikaw lang ang pinag-uusapan o yung mundo nila umiikot sa'yo, I'm sorry to tell you, but they're too busy with their own problems. Hindi ikaw ang pinag-uusapan nila. Kaya huwag ka masyadong mag-overthink kasi hindi hinto ang buhay para sa'yo. Kahit magmukmuk ka o magtrabaho ka, tuloy ang ikot ng mundo. Kahit umiyak ka o manahimik ka, life goes on. Tuloy ang ikot ng mundo. Sorry to break it to you, but it's the truth. Harsh? Yes, definitely. But real. So anong gagawin mo? You deal with life. You continue to be a good person and you live your purpose. Move forward, serve others, live your purpose. Kahit alam ko minsan masakit at minsan ang hirap talaga tanggapin. But remember, kahit mahirap tanggapin, kailangan mong marinig ito.